How to force stop or disable Android apps. What's the difference between them? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about the facts and tips about force stop and disable Android apps. So what's the main difference here? So first thing, let me just quickly show you that by simply heading over to any of the applications, and you might notice there are different options, that is force stop or disable on mobile devices applications. Basically, the first stop purpose is to immediately terminate a currently running application and its associated background processes. This is often used for troubleshooting when an app is misbehaving, frozen, or consuming excessive resources. So you can do so that as the app ceases all the activity including background processes, services, and any active notifications, it will not restart unless triggered by a user action such as post notification or specific broadcast. And similarly, the function of the disable purpose is, let me just tell you that to prevent an application from running or being launched effectively, hiding it from the app or drawer, and stopping it from consuming system resources or receiving objects. This is commonly used for pre-installed bloatware or apps that are rarely used but cannot be uninstalled. So this might be default applications which comes, or built-in applications which comes with your Android phone when you are buying it for the first time, such as this applications right over here, Android Auto, Android Switch. So you cannot actually uninstall such applications, so instead you can disable it to prevent them from running or being launched. And the app is removed from the active app list and cannot be launched by the user or system, so it will not run in the background, receive updates, or send notifications. The app's data remain on the device but is inaccessible when disabled. So I hope that clears your mind and clears your doubt. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.